Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play the chess queen. First, recognize the queen's immense power. It moves any number of squares horizontally, vertically, or diagonally. This versatility makes it a formidable attacking and defending piece. Always consider its wide range of movement when planning your moves. Position your queen to control many squares, creating threats and supporting your other pieces effectively. The queen's movement is truly unique, allowing it to slide across the board in any straight line, whether it's horizontal, vertical, or diagonal. Imagine it as a combination of a rook and a bishop. This means it can cover a vast number of squares in just one move, making it incredibly dangerous. Always be aware of its potential reach and how it can influence multiple areas of the board simultaneously. Strategically, the queen is best used to control the center and create threats. Avoid bringing it out too early where it can be easily attacked by less valuable pieces, forcing you to move it repeatedly. Instead, aim to develop it after your minor pieces, using its power to support attacks, defend your king, and create tactical opportunities like forks or pins. Its presence can significantly influence the game's flow. In advanced play, the queen becomes a key player in endgame scenarios, often delivering the final checkmate. Remember, while powerful, it's not invincible. Always protect your queen and ensure it's not left undefended. Consider queen sacrifices only when they lead to a clear, forced win. For more great tips and resources, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below for links and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.